let us try to draw the diagram of the heart in the easiest possible way that we can do. So what you have to do is you have to draw a slightly V-shaped structure which is tilted towards the left. Then what you have to do is you have to, from this point, you have to draw one blood vessel. Make it a chambered one like this. Okay, small chamber, not a big one. From here, try to draw out a particular blood vessel, and one more blood vessel from here is going out, okay, in the form of a arc. That's it. Now from this side, draw like this a blood vessel and join it over here. Okay, and यहाँ पे इसको इस तरीके से join कर दो. That's all the heart is about. Now what you have to do, ये हो गया हमारा blood vessels हो गए, सारे chambers हो चुके हैं. इसको थोड़ा सा अंदर ले लेते हैं. Okay, and ये यहाँ all the chambers and all the blood vessels are over. Now we just have to label them. Before labeling, we have to do one more thing, that these are the ventricles, so they are going to have the thick wall, है ना. So ये ऊपर गया, यहाँ से वापस this is the septum which is dividing the heart into the right and the left parts, and left part is going to have thick walls. ये ज़्यादा thick है as compared to the right one. This is the right ventricle, this is the left ventricle. Okay, this is the right atrium and this is the left atrium. Okay, now it has to be chambers. जो chambers है वो बंद हैं. Right side में this is the tricuspid valve. Here is the bicuspid valve. Okay, this arc that you are seeing is the aorta, and this what you can see, this particular blood vessel, ये वाला blood vessel, is basically the pulmonary artery. Okay, this chamber we have already seen, this is right atrium. So right atrium is receiving the blood. So this blood, this one is the superior vena cava, and this one you can draw it here or you can draw it in the lower side also, it's up to you, but I have drawn it over here. This is inferior vena cava. Or you can complete the chamber and you can draw the vena cava here also, but you can draw it in any way. This is inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, aorta, pulmonary artery. Now you can see these two blood vessels, these are the pulmonary veins. These are pulmonary veins. Okay, so right ventricle, right atrium, left ventricle, and this is the septum. This is the bicuspid valve present in the left side of the body, left side of the heart. This is the right tricuspid valve present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. This is inferior vena cava, this is superior vena cava, this is aorta, this is pulmonary artery, and right atrium से जो blood vessels हैं, they are the pulmonary vein. This is how you can draw the diagram of the heart.